Right. Okay, now you can hear my damn voice. This is Sorento Back Beach. This is about 15 minutes from home. Come up here pretty often. I'll just pan around. Try to use zoom. Bit of surf down there. Not much. A few wave whackers around, not. Still bloody cool here. Looks nice though. Beautiful day. Hope everyone's enjoying my voice, bastards. Got a boat out there somewhere, don't know where. Ooh, blur vision. Okay. Got a man up there, we can zoom in on him, but we won't. Okay, there we go. One more pan. Beautiful beach this, really wide. Goes for miles between the two bays here. Right up there once more. Rugged bit of coastline that. Around the Kerry. Bikes kicking around. Ah, look at that. Who's that? There's the missus. Smile, Kerry. Yell out. Go, hi guys.
Hi guys.
Louder.
Hi guys.
Right, now we're being total retards. We can probably stop this bit and move to the next bit. Okay, zooming in on the bike. Don't want to zoom too close because it could be dirty. No, it's not too dirty. Okay, that's it. This is Sorento. Sorento Back Beach.